हेलो गाइस, मैं आज आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी टॉपिक का कुछ मोस्ट एमसीक्यू टाइप्स क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। तो दोस्तों वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए ताकि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी टॉपिक का कुछ नॉलेज आप गेन कर सकें। तो दोस्तों वीडियो को देखने से पहले यदि आप मेरा चैनल को पहली बार देख रहे हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, साथ में नोटिफिकेशन ऑल पे सेट कीजिए ताकि आपको मेरा वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिल सके। तो दोस्तों मैं हूं नज़ीर कुमार, आपको मेरा दिलुस इंफॉर्मेशनल यूट्यूब चैनल पर स्वागत है। तो दोस्तों चलिए वीडियो को शुरू कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, DNA इज एसिडिक ड्यू टू डैश। ऑप्शन है शुगर, बी फॉस्फोरिक एसिड, सी प्यूरिन्स, डी pyrimidines. Answer is B phosphoric acid. Question 2, past hormone prepared by genetic engineering dash. A oxytocin, B somatotropin, C adrenaline, D insulin. Answer is D insulin. Question 3, natural genetic engineering is dash. A Bacillus subtilis, B Pseudomonas, C Escherichia coli, D Agrobacterium thumbescens. Answer is D Agrobacterium thumbescens. Question 4, bacteria protect themselves from viral attack by producing dash. A exonuclease, B endonuclease, C DNA ligase, D gyrase. Answer is B endonuclease. Question 5, which of these is widely used in genetic engineering? A anopheles, B dragonfly, C dragon lizard, D fruit fly. Answer is D fruit fly. Question 6, what is molecular seizure? A restriction endonuclease, B helicase, C urease, D peptidase. Answer is A restriction endonuclease. Question 7, polymerase chain reaction is used for dash. A DNA identification, B DNA repair, C DNA amplification, D cleaved DNA. Answer is C DNA amplification. Question 8, the vector for tRNA is dash. A thermophilic fungus, B Salmonella typhimurium, C Agrobacterium thumbescens, D Escherichia coli. Answer is C Agrobacterium thumbescens. Question 9, the source of tag polymerase used in PCR is A thermophilic fungus, B mesophilic fungus, C thermophilic bacterium, D halophilic bacterium. Answer is C thermophilic bacterium. Question 10, the molecular structure of insulin was described by dash. A Orenberg, B Swaminathan, C Richardson, D Sanger. Answer is B Swaminathan. Question 11, the first product of ancient biotechnology was dash. A alcohol, B lactic acid, C insulin, D steroid. Answer is B lactic acid. Question 12, restriction enzymes are used to coat a dash. A single stranded RNA, B double stranded DNA, C single stranded DNA, D double stranded RNA. Answer is B double stranded DNA. Question 13, what is cDNA? A formed by reverse transcriptase, B clone DNA, C circular DNA, D recombinant DNA. Answer is A. Born by reverse transcriptase. Question 14. During gene cloning, which is called as gene taxi? A. Vaccine, B. Plasmid, C. Bacterium, D. Protozoa. Answer is B. Plasmid. Question 15. Which of the following countries is the center of origin of rice? A. India, B. China, C. Russia, D. Britain. Answer is B. China. Question 15. Biotechnology toxin is obtained from dash. A. Prokaryotes, B. Eukaryotes, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Answer is A. Prokaryotes. Question 16. Penicillin was used in dash. A. First World War, B. Second World War, C. Both First and Second World War, D. None of these. Answer is B. Second World War. Question 17. Salt tolerant transgenic has been developed for dash. A. Brinjal, B. Grape, C. Potato, C. Tomato. Answer is D. Tomato. Question 18. Breeding for disease resistance requires is dash. A good source of resistance, B. Plant hybridization, C. Disease test, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Question 19. Which of the following is a transgenic plant? A. Flower saver, B. Aspergillus, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Answer is A. Flower saver. Question 20. Reagent used in ELISA test is dash. A. Endonuclease, B. Polymerase, C. Ligase, D. Peroxidase. Answer is D. Peroxidase. दोस्तों वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कमेंट शेयर जरूर कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।